MarineMax in Stuart. We're here in the showroom. As you can see, we have a nice lineup of Sea Rays here. We have a 26 SLX over here, a 25 SDX, a 27 SDX, and a 21 SPX. We're going to be taking a look at the 27 SDX today. So as you can see, this one is equipped. This is a Kingfisher teal hull color with a black bottom. It does also have the anchor package on here, which is a windlass automatic anchor. And you can see here we have the docking lights. It has the lighting package as well. Let's go take a look around the back. Marine here at the stern of the 270 SDX. If you take a look under here, you can see it does come with the underwater lights in this package. It has a black V8 Mercury 300 horsepower engine. It has this nice gray sea deck. And this is called stone, so it's a two-tone colored seating that Sea Ray do. Let's take a look inside. Okay, so we're here standing on the swim platform. As you can see, there's an integrated ladder here. So when you're on anchor at the sandbar, you just unfold this ladder, which is also accessible from the water. Nice sun pad here to lay out in the sun. This also has the water package. So this is a spray freshwater shower. You have cup holders, USB connection, and this is for a flagpole. Take a walk inside the cockpit. On this walkway here, you also have an integrated cooler in here. So nice L-shaped seating on the port side. Again, gray sea deck throughout the boat. This little bracket here, it has an L-shaped arm here and a table. So this comes with a teak table. In the seating back here, you see they cleverly put cup holders everywhere on this boat. So you have two stainless steel cup holders here, another two over here. And then on the starboard side, you have another two cup holders. And here you've got plenty of storage underneath. This is also insulated. And coming to the helm seat, here you can see this flip up bolster will flip down when you're not running the boat. You just push up underneath here, push this forward, and it gives you a more open seating area here in the cockpit. You could do the same with the passenger seat here as well. Index storage here. This is a huge index storage. You can get wakeboard, skis, everything in there. So here at the helm, you can see we have a Simrad 9-inch display, really nice black acrylic dash, and you pop this open, and you have somewhere to store your phone, a little bit of storage there. Also, this door will pop open. So this boat's equipped with a vacuum flush head, so it's nice and it gives you headroom to get inside. You have a nice sink over here as well, and somewhere for a kid to lie down as well, or storage. So port side, this is where you store your teak tables. So you can see the two teak tables in there with the poles. So this one is also equipped with the water sports tower in black. This bimini will fold open, and it also has the ascent pieces on the outside. So coming out to the bow area here, plenty of seating up here, really wide bow. This one has the filler cushion, so this area will fill in, and you can lounge out here. Obviously stereo as well, more cup holders, more storage under here. And this also has the windlass anchor, as I mentioned earlier, and there is a stainless steel anchor on here as well. So this boat is available for immediate delivery. It's currently in Stuart MarineMax. My name is Danny Brown. Feel free to give me a call.